Changing the pricing plan, text and or language. From your dashboard, go to Site, go to the left to Language and scroll down to Pricing at the bottom. Click this drop down and you will see a new pricing toggle has formed. This is off. To turn it on, select this. You'll notice that the information is, if it is enabled, the below text will display wherever pricing appears, otherwise the default language will be displayed. To go into any of these options, you can go in and click one of the buttons in here. Let's just do one. I'm going to go to Payment Plan, and you're going to see inside here that any payment plans that you have within the platform are displayed. You need to go in, if you're changing the text for these, and change them. Let's go to this one here. You'll notice that this is telling you exactly what the text is, the pricing option text, and the order summary, and order summary total too. By changing these to your language, you will be customizing the payment options inside of Zenler for things like courses. Make sure that you go through all of these and change them to use your language or your country's language. You'll also need to go through to the subscription plan as well, and any other plans that are listed within the platform. This is how you can customize your pricing text and or language within Zenler. If you're not using this option, simply turn it off and leave it to the default pricing language that Zenler supplies.